Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a safe sender list in Gmail. Sometimes important emails get lost in spam or promotion folders and we don't want that to happen. While Gmail does not have any official safe sender button, but there is always a way. So here's how it happened. If you have already received an email from the person, you just have to open it, something like that. Now click on the profile icon and you will see a add to contact button. Click on this and now go to the right side of your screen and you will see a contacts option. Click on this and switch to contacts. Once they're added, Gmail will recognize them and their email should go straight to your inbox from now. You can add someone's manually on Gmail by click on create contact and here you have to fill the details about that person and then click on save. So that's it. You have just created a safe sender list in Gmail. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.